What's going on, guys? Today I got a brand new YouTube video for you guys, and as you guys read from the title, in today's YouTube video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the custom Popl. If you guys are not sure what Popl is, and this is actually your first time watching a Popl video, Popl is basically a brand that creates these products that are really good and efficient at sharing your information, such as your YouTube, your phone numbers, your emails, your Venmo, PayPal, etc, etc. They make things like custom bands like this that I'm wearing on my wrist right now, make it in white and black. They make Popl XLs, which are perfect for business owners, and they're also sticky on the back, so you can place them basically almost anywhere. They make keychains, Popl cards like this one right here, which make it super easy to share information, and even with the QR code. And they also make the regular Popls that just stick to the back of your phone case like this, and they make a few other products also. So just a quick overview of exactly how Popl works. What you do is you go ahead and get your product, and then you set it up in your app here, your Popl app. Somebody asks for your YouTube, phone number, whatever it is, whatever you want, you set up on your app. Go ahead and just tap your product to the back of their phone. A notification will pop up. They will click on that notification, and then just like that, your profile will be shared to their phone like this. So here they can go to my YouTube, my Instagram, all that. So if they tap on my YouTube, it'll go ahead and open YouTube, and then look at this, it goes straight to my YouTube right there. Alright, so that was the quick overview. So now let's get straight into the custom Popl unboxing. Alright, we got the bag open. Now let's check it out. This is gonna be my first time actually seeing what it is too. What I ordered was basically just my logo, and look at that, my custom Popl. It came in this really nice retail packaging, but look at that, the custom Popl with the Popl logo right there. That is super cool. Alright, so let's get this package open. Pull the little tab back here, and then open this, and then let's pull it out. Boom, look at that. Super cool custom Popl. That is crazy. If you guys would like to pick up a Popl for your guys selves, make sure to use my code Julio Mendoza to get 20% off of your order at checkout. So let's go ahead and just take this off of the packaging. And look at that, here it is, my custom Popl. It says activate before sticking, so we have to activate it before we stick it on the phone. This Popl I'm actually put on my iPhone 13, so I'm not gonna stick it on completely onto my phone right now, but I will set it up to show you guys exactly how to set it up and all that. What you wanna do is download the Popl app in your app store or your Play Store if you're on Android. It also works with Android, so don't worry if you have Android. You wanna go to the three lines up here at the top. You wanna go ahead and set up a Popl. You're gonna go ahead and look for what Popl you have. So here are all the products of Popl. So I have just a regular Popl, so click Popl, tap here to activate. You're gonna hold your Popl to the back of your phone. In this case I have an iPhone, so I'm gonna hold it to the top. So boom, right here. And then look at that, it says successfully activated your Popl. So now this Popl is now gonna share my information that I put onto this account. Alright, so let's go ahead and test this. So if somebody asks for my phone, my YouTube, or whatever, go ahead and just tap my custom Popl to the back of their phone. Click on the notification. And then bam, just like that, my information is shared from here to here. Now they have all my information that I chose to share with them. Super effective and super efficient. It saves you time, it saves you money. I said it before, I said it again. Time is money. It really is. Money comes and goes, but time is irreplaceable. So you have to make the most out of your time. So pick yourself up a Popl, save yourself some time, save yourself some money. And if you're an entrepreneur like myself, it's super effective to have one of these, because you're able to network and share information a lot quicker than it is to share a business card. Because somebody says, oh, you have a business card, you're gonna give them a business card, and it's just made out of like paper, and that little piece of paper can get wet, it rips up, it's basically trash at that point. So you pick up a Popl, go ahead and just share information. And then here I have a Android, so just to show you guys that it also works with Android, put it to the back of their phone, go ahead and just click on which browser you want to open it on, and look at that, it also works on Android. I literally just did this in real time. I showed you guys that it works on Android, it works on iPhone, and it's just super effective at what it does. So let me show you guys a quick overview of the actual Popl app itself. So with the Popl app and with the Popl Pro membership, you get two different pages. So you get the personal, and then you get the business. The business one you can customize to whatever you want. The personal one also you can customize to whatever you want, but it's more personal. You can share more personal information. Just so you guys know, they're always improving, always adding new features, new cool things that just make the whole Popl experience a lot better. So a cool feature that they added just recently is the ability to add a video onto your page. So here I have my other Popl videos from my YouTube. So if people see that video, they'll probably be interested in seeing my YouTube, so they can just go ahead and click on the YouTube, and it'll take them straight to my YouTube. And then here I have the buy a Popl, so if they're interested in buying a Popl for themselves, they can also buy a Popl. If you guys would like to buy one, it's the first link down in the description. Make sure to use Julio Mendoza, get you 20% off of your Popl and your whole order. I also have two Instagrams. You can go ahead and customize your Instagrams or whatever you want, and then all this other stuff is things you can add, all these social medias, contacts, music, payments, and even more. It's a lot of stuff that comes with owning a Popl. It's super effective because it's better than buying a business card. Say you buy 1,000 business cards for $100 when you could just buy this for like 20-30 bucks. Bam, you save yourself like 70 bucks right there. You're getting an unlimited amount of networking instead of just with 1,000 business cards you can only give it out to 1,000 people, right? Business cards are just things of the past. Popl is now the future of networking and of sharing your information. And another really cool feature about Popl is the ability of direct on and off. So say I want just to share my YouTube and I don't want to share no other information, I could go ahead and turn direct on and it would just share the YouTube. If I want to just share my Instagram, I could just hold this, put it in the front one, and bam, it would just share my Instagram. So watch, let me show you guys with the YouTube. So now it's direct on YouTube. So if somebody comes up to me and says, oh, what's your YouTube? And I just want to share my YouTube, tap it to the back of their phone, bam, watch this. Open YouTube and look at that, it takes them straight to my YouTube. It's super cool because if you just want to share like say one social media or one thing instead of your whole entire profile, it makes it super easy to do that. And another cool thing about Popl is you have the ability to turn off your Popl. So if you click these 3 lines at the top, click profile off, bam, your profile is off. So now if somebody comes up to you or they just tap your Popl and then they get the notification, watch this. It will not open up your account. So if you want to like stop sharing information, say you have like a business and you have your Popl somewhere where everybody can tap on it, you can just go ahead and just tap profile off and your account will just turn off and people can't really go to it. And it's just a matter of seconds to just put it back. So just click profile on, bam, your profile is now on and now it's gonna work. Super cool, super easy. And then you also get a custom QR code. So say people just want to scan your QR code, they can. So take the iPhone camera, bam, notification. Look at that, straight to your profile. You don't even have to tap the Popl. You can just scan the QR code. You get a lot of things that come in the Popl than you would in a business card. And it makes a bigger impression on the person that you're popping with, because just a business card is like, oh, it's just another regular person just giving me a business card. But the Popl, it makes like a nice first impression on them because like, oh, that's cool. All the stuff that they just shared with me in a matter of seconds that could never be done with a business card. And if, for example, say you pop it to somebody and then they wanted to give you their phone number, all they have to do is that once they're on your profile, they go ahead to connect with Julio Mendoza, share info with Julio Mendoza so it's saved on their phone. So you can give your name, Julio, you can give your email, you just put a random number, bam, bam, and you can even leave a note and then connect. So now I've connected with my profile. So if I go here, click on this, it shows me who connected with me, it shows me the note that they left me. If I go to the number that they left, it'll take me to the message, the email that they left. So Popl makes a business card look like basically useless at this point because Popl can do everything and more than a business card can do, and even at a cheaper price. So if you guys did want to put this Popl on the back of your phone, all you really have to do is take off the little backing right there, and then you go ahead and just stick it on your case like this one right here. It's super slim and it like super durable because it hasn't even come off. This has been on here for like a year now. And the cool thing about it that they're waterproof and they never run out of battery because basically they just don't run out of battery. If you guys are not sure how to get one or how to use my code, so you're gonna go to the Popl website, which is the first link down in the description below, and then let's say you want to order a custom Popl, you can choose whether to have the Popl logo or no Popl logos. So this is the one with the Popl logo. As you can see right here at the bottom, it has the Popl logo. So you can choose whether you want the Popl logo or not. It's a little bit more expensive if you don't have it, but it's up to you. So let's say create your own. So you can choose any picture to put on there or even some text. So here I'm gonna say bam, and then you can customize all that. But this is just a little test. So now that when it's in your cart, what you want to do is go here to this little box right here and enter Julio Mendoza. If it's not there, like right here, all you have to do is click on the discount code box, type in Julio Mendoza, apply, and automatically it will apply to your cart. So now you get the 20% off, which is $6 off of $24, which is not bad because who doesn't like to save a little bit of money? And especially with Popl, you get a lot than you would with the business card. So it's a lot better to just get a Popl than to get any type of business card. If you have like a logo for your own business, you can go ahead and just put your own logo on your own Popl. Makes it super cool and super unique. But yeah guys, this is basically gonna wrap up the video. This is the custom Popl unboxing. Here I have my logo. It took about a week to arrive. So it's a pretty quick process. So make sure to use my code Julio Mendoza at checkout to get the 20% off. Pick yourself up a Popl today. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to like the video down below and check out my other videos where I review some other products of Popl. If you guys would like to see some more videos like this in the future, make sure to subscribe and click on the little bell to be notified every time I post another new video. So yeah, that's gonna conclude the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.